According to the Surgeon General, everyone should be doing at least 30 minutes of exercise with moderate intensity most days of the week. The good news is that any activity you do will count and can be accumulated to produce real health and fitness benefits. Walking can be your perfect low-impact exercise and can help you achieve your health and fitness goals. Hello, and welcome to Saguaro. Level up your walking exercise by applying a scientifically proven strategy guaranteed to give you maximum health benefits. We're breaking down the F.I.T formula to achieve the perfect walking workout. What is the F.I.T F.I.T formula? You'll have to stay tuned to find out. In the meantime, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to see more of our videos for a healthy mind, body, and soul. Before we reveal the F.I.T formula, it's important to master proper walking technique for a more effective and enjoyable exercise while helping you avoid potential injuries. Your posture. Look ahead and keep your head upright. Maintain a neutral position of your chin, not too high or tucked in toward your chest. Your shoulders should remain back, relaxed, and not hunched over. Your foot placement is important too. Keep your feet close to an imaginary line in the center of the pavement in front of you. And when you step, your stride length is important. To find your stride length, start by standing upright with your feet slightly apart. Then, lean forward at your ankles, like a ski jumper. Transfer your weight forward slowly, and as you do, you will need to take a step out to catch yourself before you fall forward. This step you take to catch yourself is your stride length, or close to it. You should maintain the same stride length regardless of the type of walk that you do. And when you stride, always keep at least one of your feet on the ground. Your heel should strike the ground first, followed by rolling onto the ball of your feet. Finish with a strong push-off with your toes by the trailing foot. Focus on quicker rather than longer strides. Avoid slapping the ground with your feet and concentrate on smoothing out your movement. Your arm swing will burn additional 5 to 10% of calories, and it will make your walk a total body exercise. Let your arms bend at the elbows. Swing them in tempo with your feet in an arc shape, starting from your waist to the front of your chest. Your hands should reach just below chin level. Your forearms should brush your hips and keep your stride forward. So the F.I.T formula for walking. Now we've learned proper technique. Now you're excited to get out there and walk. But hold on a second. Keep in mind the F.I.T formula when walking. F stands for frequency, or how often. I stands for intensity, how fast. And T stands for time, or how long you're walking. When you start with walking exercise, start at a low level. Don't try to do too much too fast to avoid injuries that might just set you back instead of moving you forward. Whenever you're ready to increase your walking activity, change just one part of the F.I.T formula. Frequency. If it's not possible for you to go for a walk every single day, try doing it 3 to 5 times per week. If you can only handle a 5-minute walk, then start with that, but do it regularly. You can gradually add extra minutes later on. Making this your routine is what matters the most. Intensity. 2 to 3 miles an hour walking is a good average intensity. If that seems too much, you can set your own pace. A good rule to remember is that you should be able to talk while walking. Once you start running out of breath and feeling your heart is beating like crazy, then you're going too fast. Time. 30 minutes a day should be your goal. Another way is to count your steps, which could help motivate yourself to keep going. A good amount to aim for is 6,000 steps a day. Most of us already walk 3,000 to 5,000 steps a day just doing our normal activities. But again, if this is too much, you can get there gradually and start with what you can manage right now. That's the F.I.T formula. Hopefully you've been inspired to start a walking routine today. Still not motivated to start walking for your health? How about joining a class or finding an exercise buddy who's excited enough to get health and benefits of walking with you? You can even hire a personal trainer. The money you pay for the trainer can be a great motivation to pursue your fitness goals. What do you think about walking? Is it worth giving a shot? Let us know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to share this video with anyone who might benefit from it. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. Click the notification bell. And please, check out our other videos.